Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making ground beef and cabbage one-pot style. This recipe is so easy to make, it's colorful, and your family will finally love you for this. Make sure the cabbage is cut uniformly. Now let's get into the recipe. Start by cutting your cabbage. We're also using some peppers, carrots, onions, scallion and thyme. In a large skillet pot, add some olive oil, then we add the ground beef. Saute until it starts to turn brown. Add some salt and pepper, some paprika, garlic powder. Combine all the seasonings with the ground beef. As you can see, it's very greasy. So you know what? Let's remove some of the grease. We don't want it to be too oily. Add the carrots, onions and pepper and saute them. Combine everything with the ground beef, and then we're going to add some chopped scallion and thyme. We're adding in some tomato sauce as well, and continue to combine everything. Push everything aside and add the cabbage. Add some chili peppers, continue to combine and let this cook for about 10 minutes. Our dish is ready to serve, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you like this video.